Ka International Multidisciplinary Art Workshop ka sngi halor ka phang Cross Culture Identities, a dialogue through art, ya ka bala pynlong da ka Positive Energy Art Foundation, bat ka jingiatrei lang jong ka Indian Council of Social Science Research Northeastern Region Center, NEHU Shillong, kala sdang mynne ka sngi kata ka tarik Naitung ar hakabau Commissioner bat Secretary ka tnat Arts and Culture jong ka sorkar jala Bah Frederick R Kharkongor ulalong kongsan. Layadon ryngkat ru Honorary Director ka ICSSR-NERC Shillong Professor Panda, founder but director ka Positive Energy Art Foundation Dr Prakash Kishore, principal ka Government College of Arts and Crafts Assam Dr Nabajit Deka, chairman ka Riti Academy of Visual Arts Shillong Bah Raphael Warjri, ki barikor na kylleng ka pyrthei bat na ki jilla bapher kari India, bat ki wei de ki nong shakhot ngobha shakate ka jingialang. Haba ai jing kren play mynne ka sngi Commissioner bat Secretary ka tnat Arts but Culture ka jilla Bah Frederick R Kharkongor ulaong badai ka art ka bala banwanra ya ka jingya dei ka bajantam hapdeng ki jaj ban rio bapher ka sla pyrthei. Rap ru balengba ka art ka pyrthei shitulup kan la ban yo ka jingtep ka bakhambnya ya ki Riti bat dustur ki brio ki basyong basa haki phang shatei lammi ngi kari India. Director ka ICSSR-NERC Shillong Professor Panda hakajing kren jong ula pensngo baka art ka literature bat ka culture kilong shibenta jong ka tanat police social science bat ru babunsin ki de ki barikor ki balong kita ki harbingers of hope ne ki nong ai
introductory remarks by Professor Prakash Kishore that we also have participants from countries like Thailand and South Korea and Sri Lanka and and also South Africa, along with our participation from our neighboring states and also our own indigenous artists from the state. I think it will be a very exciting and a very impactful as well as a very meaningful cultural exchange in the next. Your hands, your skills, your energies and your creativity together and create something rich and something lasting and something that will totally energize this this exchange, and let this be the beginning of such exchanges. Hopefully the next program may happen in Thailand, or it may happen in South Africa or in South Korea or in Sri Lanka also. Now that we are learning to live with the pandemic, I think art will also find a way to transcend through this pandemic as well. Kindly do enjoy your stay in Meghalaya. It's a very beautiful state.